Hi friends, we are with Foreign Flame team today, and they have got recently they have got a few awards, and they have made this film so beautifully. So let's see what the team has to talk about the movie. So let's start the new show in MeTV. It's called Roundtable with Sandeep Raj.
Hello.
Hello friends.
Hi.
How are you?
Hi.
Everybody's like excited. Looks good.
Yeah.
Beautiful faces, smiles on everyone. So okay. So first question, I'll start with Jaga. So what's the whole idea about Foreign Flame? When this idea started?
First of all, thanks for MeTV giving this opportunity to be here, and thanks to Sandeep Raj to starting the new show with us. And it is privilege to be here. And I wish you good luck for him and for MeTV. And let's get to the project. Foreign Flame is actually it started in 2012, and me and Siddharth, my co-writer, started this project, but this whole idea came from true incidents. And this whole story happened in Melbourne, and we inspired from various articles, and we decided to make one realistic story based on the current life which is happening around us. And me and my co-writer Siddharth, and we worked on this idea for 2 years, and it took 2 years to make it. So eventually we came to this stage today after nearly 4 years of work. And I thank you, my team, and thank you each and everybody who involved and who encouraged us and who inspired us. And thanks you guys also for supporting us. And
And Jagam, you know how is shooting in India, and how what it takes.
Yeah.
There are a lot of people, and there are like huge crowd. So what is so different in shooting in Australia compared to India?
India is a different space, and Australia is a different space.
Like I'm just asking,
Here-
like what's the difference you find more?
Yes, here actually fantastic locations. Here is easy to make the films, and we can make in short time. India is bigger space and lot of people, and only problem in here is the talent. India is plenty of talent and the land of talented people over there. Here is quite a challenge to find right people and to bring the idea to life. It takes a lot of hard work and courage to do here, but I am very optimistic about this land also. Though everything is growing up here.
So
lot of
I
people
have
like
to ask,
you
I have
being
to
adding-
interrupt you in between. Like,
All right, no
what's
problem.
a easy task you feel like? Do you want to shoot in Australia? You feel easy, or you want to like it's like shooting in India? It's like easy. And do you have any local talent in the movie?
Oh,
or you
all
have
of-
got any casting crew
all
from
of
India
the,
as
all
well?
of the all of the people are local talented.
Or do you have any
people.
cast from India as well?
No. So my always I believe in it. So my
Guys,
strength
just remember, Jaga is not going to take anyone from India, okay?
is
All he only wants local talent, okay? So, people, if you want to work in
wherever
Jaga's
I am
movie,
there, I will
come to Melbourne or Australia.
wherever I am, I support local talent. Now
That
I
is
found
so mean. Not taking people from India. Come on.
right time
I'm
comes
just
the
Depends
right
on the producer.
All right.
budget
right time comes, So we will see if the bigger project. I would like to work with everybody, whoever is talented. So yes, in this film, everybody is from here, and all are very precious, talented people here. I found it, and it is I feel very blessed so that to find the good people. Yeah.
Okay, now my question is to hero of the movie. So, hello.
Hi,
You've been- I'm glad that I'm interviewing you today. I think you've been recently went to USA, and movie has got an award, and like, tell me about that first.
US was a brilliant experience. Our film got selected there,
Wow.
and there were like 17 films. There was Japanese film, Chinese film, and English films as well. And
East or
Hindi
West,
pictures
India
भी
is
थे.
the best.
करेक्ट. तो हम लोग एक्चुअली टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट हम लोग बहुत नर्वस थे
Okay.
जब मूवी वहाँ पे हमने पहली बार लाइक अनजान लोगों के सामने चलाई. इट वाज वेरी स्केरिंग एंड नर्व रैकिंग आई वुड से बिकॉज फिल्म को पब्लिक के अंदर दिखाना जब वो जज करेंगे जो आपको जानते नहीं हैं. दैट वाज अ बिग थिंग फॉर अस. सो एक्सपीरियंस वाज वेरी थोड़ा नर्वस थे हम लोग. बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे जब पब्लिक का रिस्पांस देखा हम लोगों ने द वे इट वाज रिसीव्ड हम लोग को बहुत तसल्ली हुई, सो वी फेल्ट वेरी गुड। एंड उसके बाद बेस्ट डायरेक्टर का अवार्ड जगह को मिला बिकॉज पीपल लव द स्टोरी एंड मेरी एक्टिंग अच्छी
That's
लगी,
awesome.
सो I got the best actor award, so which was really dream come true किसी भी एक्टर के लिए। साले 14 साल हो गए, 14 साल के बाद जाके अवार्ड मिला है पिक्चरें करते करते, सो इट्स
That's good, that's good.
मैन। सो कहते हैं ना देर आए दुरुस्त आए, सो इट्स फाइन, लाइक फाइनली गॉट द समथिंग।
Okay, sorry to cut you, but okay, it's very glad, very happy that you have got award and Jaga has got best director. But what was your reaction when he asked you to, his idea about casting you in the movie?
दैट टाइम एक्चुअली आई वाज इन न्यूजीलैंड जब मुझे पहली बार इनका मैसेज आया था।
So what was your first reaction? Like, यार ये मुझे क्यों कॉल कर रहा है? Is that your reaction?
नहीं, मुझे पहला रिएक्शन ये था पहले तो, या बिकॉज सी आई वॉज डूइंग फुल टाइम इनटू फिल्म्स एंड टीवी न्यूजीलैंड, so I was full on established actor there full time.
Wow.
So that time when somebody approaches, then we ask the script. तो मैंने कहा आप कौन है, मैंने पूछा इनको, मैंने कहा why me from New Zealand and why not from Australia? तो उन्होंने बोला जो कैरेक्टर मैं देख रहा हूँ he has to be like this way. So I was like okay. Then we heard the script and then we went over the script again and again and then we finalized. और trust me, मैं वहाँ से fly करके आता था, weekend पे shoot करके वापस जाता था. Again I used to come, so I used to fly in and out. And that's how we started the whole project. But
I hope producer gave you a business class.
I don't know about business class, but I was very well looked after. I would say that way.
I'm
I
just
don't want to say anything else because पैसा ज़्यादा बोलूँगा तो फिर बाकी सब बैठे हुए हैं इसलिए ज़्यादा
तो
नहीं
हम
बोल सकता
zip कर देते हैं, no.
Yeah, so I was looked after well, so that's what I can
So
say.
what was your experience like? How many days you guys shot this movie?
This film we took almost 45 days plus we shot, in total.
Like it
but
includes
schedule में.
songs and talkie part as well. Like how was like?
Sorry, what was that?
Like it's like talkie part and songs, everything
हाँ,
all
songs
together.
वगैरह सब मिलाकर like
okay.
shooting days was 45 plus I would say, but it was like obviously during the course of time, so बीच में हम लोग not continue shoot था, so it depends on everybody's availability as well.
True.
सब लोग दूसरे काम भी करते हैं, IT engineers हैं, कोई है कोई कुछ है, so that's why, so we had to.
That's good. Like everything.
Yeah, we have doctors as well.
That's very good.
Yeah.
Like everybody like doing their own work and coming in the weekends and working
Yeah.
towards their passion. So 45 days is a long day. So what's your like is there any hard scene or any hard thing happen like you are unable to pull off in the during the time of shoot?
See, to be very honest, my character was not an easy character for me, to be very honest, because see मेरा character जो है ना इसके अंदर वो बहुत dominating है और violent character है starting में. That was very hard for me because मैं बहुत normal life में बहुत हंसता खेलता रहता हूँ टाइप का हूँ, तो मुझे जब वो गुस्सा दिखाना था और वो भी लड़की के ऊपर गुस्सा दिखाना है या हाथ उठाना है, दैट वाज अ वेरी स्केरी पार्ट फॉर मी एज वेल. आई डिडंट वांटेड दैट कैरेक्टर कि वो मेरे अंदर दिमाग में छप जाए, बिकॉज व्हाट यू डू इन द डे टाइम वो दिमाग में वो घूमता रहता है, लाइक आई एम लाइक दैट, सो इट डज, वो घूमता है दिमाग में. So I was a bit scared there, but then obviously Jagga helped me out and I used to come after every shot. But Jagga भाई सब ठीक है, भाई ठीक है, अच्छा लगा. He goes नहीं ठीक है, don't worry, सब मस्त लग रहा है, अच्छा लग रहा है. Because see, I could not relate to that and that's why that was a bit hard for me, definitely the violent part.
If I can ask you, what's your favorite part in the movie? Like
My favorite part, like बहुत अच्छे हैं हमारे.
Like one of the favorites, like oh my god, this is the best, I've liked it.
आई वुड से हम 4 दोस्तों की कहानी है, जो हम लोग 4 दोस्त आपस में जो मस्ती कर रहे होते हैं. जब मैं नया आता हूँ वहाँ पे जो हमारे डायलॉग बाजी होती है वो बड़ी रियल टाइप की है. जब नए लड़के आते हैं तो कैसे बातें करते हैं आपस में, मुझे पुराने दिन याद आ गए थे जब नया आया था. सो दैट वाज रियलिस्टिक फॉर मी, सो दैट वाज लाइक कि कैसे बातें करते हैं और अगर एक ही गर्लफ्रेंड पट जाए तो दूसरे को कितनी मिर्ची लगती है. सो दैट वाज अ फनी पार्ट, सो दैट आई रिमेंबर, आई कुड रिलेट टू दैट. आई वाज लाइक nah, that's
Okay, my next question to Jagga, like you have like how many people you have in this movie, like what is the cast and do you think that you have casted right people in your movie?
Yeah, definitely. So yeah, right people, right
Yeah,
place.
obviously you would have gone like rigorous
Yeah,
auditions
of course,
and
it is
stuff.
a
Yeah.
roller coaster, the experience.
yeah,
So
experience.
it is totally around 45 people in the cast.
45 people, it's like huge.
It is,
Massive.
yeah, it is meant to be that way. We thought to make film with
So
only 6
it's good,
people, with a cast with the 6 people. Then eventually we need to show some background people, friends. So it's another.
So Jagga, eventually this is your like prime project, like the first one which is going to be very big.
It is,
As-
yes,
yeah.
it's definitely a
So,
feature film.
so for you, like dealing with 45 people on the set, and there is big technical team working on it. So how hard you find like doing all these things, like organizing, managing things?
It was quite challenge, but only
Because this is your this is like a debut thing for you.
before I made 4 projects, and all the crew, they were traveling with me 7 years. Now they are part of like my family.
That means like your
Yes,
technical
the
team is like
crew
part
I
of your
never
family.
changed.
Yeah,
Crew is since day one the same.
that's
And I have
wonderful.
fantastic people. Siddharth, my co-writer, 7 years, traveling with me. My DOP, Mark Kenfield, he's a fantastic. He's like a, a brother to me. And my Victor is editor. And then art director Stuti Sharma. It's all fantastic people. They are like
So
I
what
don't
do
need I don't need to be look after technical stuff on the sets. Only I need to deal with the actors because there's a confidence and the collaboration we were having is fantastic. So it's like when I go to sets, it's like a relax and smile all the time. So whenever you see the behind scenes, I will be like smiling and so.
So who do you find like you got like best rapport with which technician? I know everybody has like a good rapport with you as
my
your family.
DOP and my production, I mean AD production at the Victor NG. We were since day one.
So I'm just a bit curious to ask you, like before you start any scene, like particular
Yeah.
scene, is it romantic,
Yes,
or else it's a like fight or something,
Yeah.
an action scene? So what would you suggest your technicians, like as a cameraman? What is your idea, like I need something like this?
We will
it
go
should
through
be-
like 5 minutes review of the scene, and I
Okay.
tell most of the time I'll try to give reference because of the setup of the scene, because this film is we set up Indian family in Australian society, so they have a little bit of understanding of the Indian family. So I'll give it just brief introduction and reference scenes, and then they understand my style, and it is give and take, compromise also most of the time. So sometimes I depend on them, sometimes they depend on my decision. It is like so it's like a sugar in a water, so we mix and sometimes we compromise and collaborate.
That's good,
Always
that's
there
good,
is give and take. But
It's okay. So I'm like so sorry. Like these two girls
Yeah,
are sitting
yeah,
like
yeah,
that's
we
what I
have
was
to-
thinking.
oh, they are.
So I come to Priyanka now.
Happy when he's talking.
Yeah, it's like it's like kind of punishment. Oh
Okay.
my God, we did all the move and we are listening to the same thing again.
That's what I feel also.
Okay, so let's go to Priyanka. So how you end up in choreography for this movie?
There's this little story. I think I performed somewhere, and I know Murli, who's playing the antagonist in this movie, and he saw me dancing, and then he referred to Jaga. I didn't know that I was going to choreograph at all. I gave
I'm
an
sure
audition.
Jaga got a lot of references, huh?
Yeah.
No, actually, we auditioned. You can tell me.
Yeah, I auditioned for Sonam role.
Okay.
Okay.
So you ended up in dancing.
Yeah, and another role in it. But I did an audition which was like my life's first audition of my life,
Last
in
and
front
final.
of last and final. Or no, why final? I'll give more.
Oh my God.
Because now you don't need to give audition.
She's like, oh, not final. Oh, I've got heaps to do.
No, it's not final. So yeah, I was pretty shit at doing that. I was meant to do some like a senti scene as well as one very hyper scene, like what was that movie Kareena Kapoor's Jab We Met scene. So that one. So I was a little bit scared and I could not pull it off. But then Jaga was like, okay, we've thought about 2 things. One is this, and then Murli said, you dance. Can you show me one video? I said, okay, fine, I'll show you. And then he said, okay, he saw just a glimpse of it and he's like, okay, you have to do the choreography.
That's great.
And then, yeah.
So like, what was your experience in working movie? Like, how many scenes you have got? Like, just give a brief focus on your role. So what's all about?
Mine is more of a this whole movie is if you've seen the teasers and everything, it's a little bit of a thriller. It comes in a thriller genre and mystery sort of a genre, but my role basically comes in interrogation sort of a thing. I'm like supporting role in Rishi's friends group, So that's
Yeah,
sort
but
of.
Rishi said he has got only 4 boys in the group.
Yeah, but 4 boys will have their own girlfriends as well.
Okay. Now we are getting into the story.
So that's like it was like a big group of people, 4 guys and 4 girls, and yeah, it was like a big.
Okay, let's go to Rajita
Yeah.
now. Okay, Rajita, so how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Tell us something about your role in the movie.
Mine is like, as Priyanka was saying, there are 4 boys and 4 girls. I'll be one of the girls. Like, it's Rishi's friend's girlfriend. Rather, I can say I'm wife of that man.
Okay.
And it's
It's
a
like
kind.
fiancé.
Yeah, it's a kind of. I'll be a model, and it's my character is always fighting with my husband.
Oh, okay. So we have got some family drama in the movie
Yes,
as well.
it's something
Okay.
like that. I mean, it's a very good story. Yeah.
Okay, so I'll come to Rishi now. So as Rajita said, movie has got some family drama and you know there's some boyfriend girlfriend stuff is going on. But the posters has handcuffs, and I know what's the reason behind handcuffs?
What have you done, Rishi?
See,
What's
that's
so
what you-
serious that happened? You have handcuffed.
See, that's the whole mystery. So you have to see the film to find out that. I can't give you the whole story out, but what I can say is, sometime a person can go through some situations in life that are not in your hand, and that can end up putting you behind bars, or in some sort of a drama that you didn't expect or you didn't want, kind of thing. तो वो फंस जाता है बंदा बेसिकली. सो वो सिचुएशन में मैं फंस गया हूँ. चाहे अब आपको ये नहीं पता कि मैंने गलत काम किया है या किसी और ने किया, मैं फंसा हूँ, वो क्या है वो तो पिक्चर देख के पता लगेगा. अभी तो नहीं मैं बता सकता.
And Rishi, can you tell me like what's your experience with your co-actors Sonam and Shana?
वेरी ऑनेस्टली बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था. सोनम को देख के मेरे साथ हमेशा मेरे को
Okay, I have to interrupt you. Like, who is more beautiful? Come on, you have to say this answer. Okay, guys, be ready. He's giving an answer.
I was about to say that. My wife, she's more beautiful, obviously. But जब मैं पिक्चर कर रहा था तब मैं सिंगल था, तो उस टाइम के लिए मेरे ख्याल से प्रियंका और रजिता बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है.
Okay, so they are sitting beside you. So you say Priyanka and Rajita. Come on.
No. Actually, they both are beautiful in different ways. सोनम इंडियन ब्यूटी है और जो शाना है वो ऑस्ट्रेलियन ब्यूटी है. सो दोनों अपने तरीके से दोनों खूबसूरत है.
So, what's your experience like?
आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट आई वाज अबाउट टू से दैट सोनम के साथ काम करके मुझे लगा बिकॉज शी इज़ फ्रॉम दिल्ली, तो मुझे एक लाइक जैसे होता है ना बचपन का दोस्त टाइप की वाली फीलिंग थी उसके साथ. एंड शाना के साथ मुझे ऐसी फीलिंग थी कि जैसे एक कोई लड़का ही है मेरे साथ. बेसिकली शी वाज लाइक सो टॉम बॉय. मैं उसको कुछ भी बोलता था, शी वाज लाइक या डोंट वरी अबाउट इट दिस एंड दैट. आई एम लाइक यार कैन यू बिहेव लाइक अ गर्ल. शी गोस कम ऑन टच माय लाइक शी वाज लाइक ये देख टच करके देखो मेरे डोले. एंड आई वाज लाइक ओके रिलैक्स मैन बिकॉज शी इज इनटू बॉडी बिल्डिंग एंड ऑल. एंड आई एम लाइक ओके बट इट वाज लाइक शी इज when she dresses up, she is good. People will love her on screen. And Sonam, I think everybody will relate as a like जो फादर होंगे वो डॉटर के हिसाब से देखेंगे, या जो अच्छे हस्बैंड होंगे वो अच्छी वाइफ के हिसाब से उसको देखेंगे. सो शी इज़ वेरी लाइक वर्सेटाइल एज वेल. तो दोनों का लाइक दे हैव गॉट ब्यूटीफुल टेस्ट. आई थिंक बोथ ऑफ देम हैव गॉट गुड रोल्स एज वेल.
So how do you see Jagga as a director, and what's the best compliment you got from him?
विद हिम
Yeah.
एक्चुअली अभी तक कोई कॉम्प्लीमेंट मैंने सुना ही नहीं है यार.
Oh my
मैं जगह
God,
से
no
सुनूंगा.
compliments.
Best compliment.
एक्चुअली सी विद मी माई प्रॉब्लम इज मुझे जग्गा के साथ जब भी मुझे होता था ना कोई सीन करता था, आई हैव अ हैबिट, मुझे देखना है कि कैसा हुआ है. तो मैं किसी और को नहीं पूछता, मैं जग्गा को बोलता था जग्गा ये बताओ कैसा लगा. तो बोलता नहीं बहुत अच्छा है बहुत अच्छा है. मैंने कहा अरे कुछ तो कमी होगी ना, कुछ तो बताओ मैं चेंज क्या करूँ. कहते नहीं सही है ऐसे ही करने का ऐसे ही करने का है. तो मुझे लगता था अंदर ही अंदर, मैंने कहा यार ये देख रहे हैं कि नहीं देख रहे हैं, व्हाट्स हैपनिंग है. सो आई वाज नॉट श्योर. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई यूज्ड टू कम टू हिम लाइक यू चेक आर यू चेकिंग मैन लाइक सी कुछ कमी है तो बताओ. सो बट ही इज़ वेरी चिल्ड आउट. बेस्ट एक्टर के लिए जो कहते हैं ना डायरेक्टर होता है वो आई थिंक ही इज़ देयर बिकॉज ये आपको स्पेस देते हैं अपना कैरेक्टर प्ले करने के लिए.
Wow.
सो ही गिव्स यू द गाइडेंस. इस टाइप का कैरेक्टर है बट यू प्ले. सो ही वोंट गिव यू डायरेक्शन कि ऐसे चल ऐसा कर. ही गिव यू द स्पेस. ही वाज लाइक गो फॉर इट, हाउ यू गोना डू इट इन नेचुरल, जस्ट डू दैट वे, डोंट वरी. So I think that is the best thing about him, that he gives you a lot of space to do it. So that is definitely. और बाकी मुझे compliment उन्होंने definitely दिया, मैं मजाक कर रहा था, but no, he does say that कि I am fit for the role and a lot of people have appreciated, so
That's
which
good,
feels good,
that's
यार.
good, that's good.
और especially
So,
उन्होंने बोला emotional roles के लिए they had, she said that कि emotional roles were like pretty strong, जो मुझे घबराहट थी. So that was the main thing I think I got from him.
So Jaga, like the movies, like you know, as you said, it's an action movie, but I've came to know this has some family drama, love stories, and also. So, what do you think? Like, what's music? Like, how is your music of the movie? Like, is it melody or like you know, all the intense songs are going on? So how is it?
It is the music we selected based on the flow of the film. You know, as your filmmaker, you know the different styles of the song to enhance the craft of the film. You know? So
True.
it has whenever, as you said, whenever the Sonam chemistry going on, we place the melody because our role is like homely daughter, homely ideal wife kind of. And then when he is behaving or so with the other actress Shana, he placed kind of some rock, and the song we placed introduction song Ishke, that is also rock based. So it's a mixture of
So we can get like all mixture,
all
like
mixture.
melody,
It's
sad,
not
and
fall
everything,
into
yeah.
one category. It has one rock
That's
and
good,
trendy pop, and then
So you have got something to offer for each and every audience who came
yeah,
come into
basically
theatre.
is
Basically,
is a story. It comes from India to Australian land, so we are bringing the life also from the melody to pop rock.
that's nice.
So that is and it is totally not fully action. It is thriller and crime actually. I haven't
your
done any action film
but
yet.
your poster says so much action in that.
It is.
That is the suspense of
It
the
is
movie.
actually yes.
Yeah,
kind of
even
thriller.
I am like, as if you look at me as an audience, so you know when I look at the poster, oh my god, इसमें तो धमाकेदार action होगा हुआ, मुझे तो वैसे ही लग रहा है.
Yeah,
That's
there's
good.
some action.
Action also there.
She's acting.
Still, it is.
So there are some villains fighting.
Yeah. Oh, not that level, but we placed into realistic.
So Rishi के लिए अभी time दे दिया.
and me were in a conflict of interest for the climax,
Okay.
and he wanted ekdam
Action,
Janjeer kind of.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Rohit Shetty
Tappa-
type.
yeah,
उड़ गए बिल्डिंग में से इधर से उधर उड़ गए.
Is,
He wanted to take some karate class.
and
Oh,
hammer,
wow.
jumping hammer.
No, but we had something.
Guns
yeah.
and Matrix kind of style, but then the story I was convincing no, this is realistically placed and it may not fit it here, and somehow I pulled out. So for that anger, and we have to place another story, I convinced him. I promised him also for that action.
Next film.
That's why.
दाढ़ी वाड़ी रखा
So
अभी.
Wow.
he's keeping the beard and the funky
Hairstyle is different, yeah.
hairstyle, and that arc we have to
Akbar
capture in maybe
Yeah.
soon coming picture.
So coming to Rajita, you said like you are involved in like some family drama and some, like just tell me about your co-star, like how it's working with your co-star.
They're like it's Vinay is my co-star. I mean, he is my husband in the
movie, right?
Yes. But actually, he is my husband's classmate.
You would have asked him like, do you have any crush on me when I'm in the class? Do you have any crush? You would have asked Vinay.
No, I don't, because I never saw him before. We found
Oh my
out. We
god,
got to
he's
know each
such
other.
a that's what I'm saying. Such a shy student.
Yeah, so it was nice working with him. Like, he encouraged me. This is the first movie for me as well in front of the camera, and I really had to work out with him. Like, it's different. It's difficult as well to work with some other man in front of a camera and imagine him as your husband, and
So
it's
how do you prepare yourself, like to face all the difficulties, because you said you are facing the camera for the first time.
Yeah.
So what are the difficulties you face, like maybe oh my god मैं कैमरा के सामने कैसे लग रही हूँ, oh my god मेरा
नहीं,
मेकअप
that was
अच्छा है,
not-
oh my god my earrings, what's happening.
that was not the main thing. Definitely everybody would think girls को यही होती है mind में कि मैं am I looking beautiful or is my appearance good or not, but I don't think these days girls are like that. It's like you have to be that character. It's a bit difficult
That's
to be
true. You
that
have to adapt the character first, yeah.
So Vinay helped me a lot. I mean, we used to practice behind the camera, and it used to be like that. I mean, everybody of us, we had a role where all girls will sit together, chit chat. We used to practice everything. So practice, of course, worked out.
Yeah.
So coming to Jagga, like you said, like this movie is in Hindi, right?
Yes, Hindi
Okay,
and
we've
English.
seen the promos, we've seen the songs,
Yeah.
like all are Hindi, but your background is from Hyderabad, like you speak Telugu,
Yeah.
right? So why didn't you plan this big project in your own language?
This film is written as so we talked before. I started this initial project. I wanted to start in Telugu,
Okay.
and I written this more or less the whole project in Telugu due to the talent especially. I couldn't find right people in Telugu. Now I am blessed. At least I have the two
Two Telugu people are
actors
saying,
here, and soon we will be doing in Telugu. But this intention for this film was to make in Telugu, but
Like why I'm raising this question is like these days, like from Telugu all the dubbed movies are coming into if
Hindi,
you go
yeah,
and browse
true,
YouTube you find like heaps of dubbed movies. So do you have any plan to dub this movie, or
Oh yes,
you
yes,
want
of
planning
course. Yeah,
to remake or something
we
like that?
already nearly finished the dubbing into Telugu.
Oh,
because,
wow.
Telugu as well.
It is we named Nuvu Leni Prema.
Nuvuleni
And,
Prema, okay.
in
Can
Tamil
you tell
also-
us, tell our audience like what's that mean exactly?
It's a love, so without
Nuvuleni Prema, what is exactly that mean? You have to say that first.
Binte Regina.
Binte Regina in Telugu. Just we
Okay.
translated into Telugu. So hopefully our mother tongue audience also will receive the film very well, because the space we set it up very unique way. And then I feel actually this film fall into right category. So if I would have done Telugu, I would have dubbed again to Hindi, because it belongs to every NRI. The true concept we depicted, it is more or less every NRI going through outside of our motherland. So hopefully everybody
That's why it's
will
like Flame, which is outside India, foreign flame.
yeah, Foreign Flame. The title came with
Yeah, now the title is just-
my co-writer. So why we placed the name means, of course, as a foreign, it is the story out of our motherland,
True.
and the flame is we placed because the flame is truth always. The flame never lie.
True.
And then the whole idea behind this foreign flame is the flame, the foreign truth basically. So
Okay, coming to Rishi now, like you have got like 45 days of shoot. I hope you guys had a lot of fun. We know what's happened on screen, but what's the fun you had like off screen, like?
Oh man.
censorship.
I think I was the naughtiest actor, I think, on the set.
Wow.
I used to tease
Yeah, actor has
everyone.
to be naughty, like cheerful.
हाँ लाइक खुश
how,
रहने का है
like,
कहते हैं ना मेरे में मैं बोलता रहता हूँ मैंने कहा यार 4 दिन की जिंदगी है, खाओ पियो मौज लो
That's it.
लाइक दैट्स काइंड ऑफ लाइक आई फील एंड जब मैं सेट पे होता था तो मैं हंसी मजाक सब कुछ तंग करता था, छेड़ता था. हाँ बट जब मेरा सीन होता था मैं बोलता मेरे आसपास कोई नहीं आएगा, मुझे अपना सीन करने दो, मेरा सीन होने के बाद फिर मस्ती कर लो, अभी मत करो. सो बट वी हैड डेफिनेटली लॉट ऑफ फन, स्पेशली जब हम सारे इकट्ठे होते थे, हम लोग 7-8 लोग इकट्ठे हो जाते थे जब हमारे सीन होते थे. स्पेशली हमारे जैसे मुरली के घर पे हमारा सीन था एंड देन रेस्टोरेंट में सीन थे. सो ऑल्दो इट वाज सीरियस सीन्स बट स्टिल वी यूज टू हैव अवर फन एज वेल. सो बिहाइंड द सीन हमारा बहुत फन होता था. वैसे फिल्म बड़ी सीरियस है, मैसेज के साथ है, सब कुछ है, बट बिहाइंड द सीन कोई मैसेज नहीं था, सब मस्ती थी हमारी. So
coming, that was fun. That was really fun, I see. And coming to Priyanka, like you said, like you ended up as a choreographer, but you have got a role in the movie as well.
Yeah.
So you would have trained few dancers, few actors.
Yeah.
So like how many actors, like how many people you trained, like for those particular songs? You said there are all
So
romantic
we
songs
were
and
all
stuff.
eight of us.
8 of us, yeah.
So 4 boys and 4 girls.
Yeah.
Although most of the time half of them wouldn't turn up for the training, but it was very difficult to get everyone.
5 girls by the way.
5 girls.
सोना और शाना भी थी ना.
Shana, yeah, that's for a different thing. Yeah,
Totally.
yeah.
So do you train like the people who already know the dance, or it's like from like start from the root?
Not Indian, she doesn't know Indian dance, I guess.
No, she was actually very good. So everybody were like, like in these days, people are good at dancing. Like especially all Indians, they have that swing in them. But the only thing is that to remember the steps on spot is something which comes from practice.
Okay.
So that was a challenge that I had, like because it was very difficult to get them on like for a single practice on a single day, because everybody had their own works, and getting all of them together was a big challenge for us. And after all that, making sure they remember the steps is one more challenge, because even if they do on the day, and the end of the day they don't remember all. Yeah, synchronization. Yeah. So somehow everybody pulled it out. Like it was fine.
That was fantastic.
Yeah.
That you guys did the best job. And Jaga, like I like to ask you, like, you know, do you think any particular scene or any particular portion of a movie, do you think, like, you know, you're not satisfied with, or you want to reshoot or something, or else you're satisfied with the whole movie?
I'm satisfied with whole film.
Yeah,
as
every
of now.
director said that, but
Yeah,
obviously
if you are
your
given
inner
time-
brain,
if
your
you
inner
give-
heart, inner brain
Yeah,
says something.
sure.
Oh my
If
God,
it
this
is a
will be
given time, I would like to reshoot whole film.
Oh my God!
I will not do
I
it.
was expecting this answer.
I will
Because
not-
every director,
answer.
even if he asks, like, we have got the best director, say Raju Hirani, even if he asks, like, even if he ask him, like, you know, what's like, do you want to reshoot it, he say, I want to reshoot whole movie,
because
people are not satisfied.
You can never be.
The place and the time is moved on. So when we look at from today's perspective, that films look like a very amateur in my point of view.
Oh,
But
okay.
the storyline and at the time the actors pulled up, it is fantastic. It is the excellent work. It is superbly done.
So how is your promotions, and like what is your strategy behind promoting the movie? So do you have got any release date? Like what's
Yes,
happening with
it
the
is
movie?
actually the distribution and everything is moving forward.
Oh, wow.
It will be released very soon.
That's perfect.
And then people are encouraging and supporting us also. So it will come out very soon, and hope everybody like and the story reaches.
Perfect.
But yeah, the acting wise and the story wise, and we shown in America, and we recently shown in Indian Cine Festival in Mumbai,
Oh wow.
and that's it is screened there, and then the feedback was fantastic also. So a few more festivals there, then it will be out very soon.
What's the final runtime of the movie?
Is nearly 2 hours 5 minutes.
So yeah, that's an ideal time.
It
like,
is
you know, these days,
ideal
yeah.
because it's a thriller. So, and we trimmed also based on the feedback from the top the critics and all. So it is became 2 hours 5 minutes. Initially it was 2 hours 25 minutes. So some of the scenes were removed for the good storyline.
That's wonderful talking to you all.
Okay.
So do you have any final words, like, you know, because before releasing your movie, do you want to share something to our audience so that they know more about the movie, like when it's releasing, what's happening, and do you want anything you can ask to our audience?
Yeah, please support the local talent and encourage the local stories, local filmmakers, each and everybody like Sandeep Raj, me, and Priyanka and Rishi, Rajita, and many other people in my team, and many other people in your team. So, and please request to all the audience also, please watch and share and celebrate along with us the new stories to come. And then we have our local voice to tell our own stories.
Rishi, do you want to talk, say something to our audience?
या आई थिंक मैं आप लोग को एक ही बात कहना चाहूँगा, जितने भी ऑडियंस हमारे यहाँ देख रहे हैं, दैट ये फिल्म जो आप देखोगे ना, अगर आप किसी लड़की के माँ बाप हो, आपके लिए एक बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग मैसेज है. अगर आप एक हस्बैंड हो, आपके लिए बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग मैसेज है. और अगर आप एक आइडल वाइफ हो, तो आपके लिए भी एक बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग मैसेज है. दिस फिल्म हैज़ गॉट सच अ स्ट्रॉन्ग मैसेज. मैं इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ, मेरे आंखों देखी, मैंने लाइव ऑडियंस का रिएक्शन देखा है इन यूएस, एंड दैट्स द रीज़न वी आर सिटिंग हियर विद टचवुड, जो हमें अप्रिसिएशन मिली है वहाँ पर. आई थिंक एवरीबडी इज़ गोना रिलेट, स्पेशली वो माँ बाप जिनके बच्चों की अरेंज मैरिज होती है, और जो बहुत ही आइडलिस्टिक पेरेंट्स हैं या बहुत ही रिलीजियस पेरेंट्स हैं. आई थिंक वेरी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग मैसेज है, और बहुत लोगों को बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा. वी आर नॉट सेइंग कि हमने बहुत परफेक्ट मूवी बनाई है, बट व्हाट वी कैन से इज़ आपको फिल्म अच्छी लगेगी. इट इज़ अ फील गुड मूवी, एंड यू विल से कि एट द एंड ऑफ द डे यार सही काम करा है. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई कैन से. एंड बाकी आप लोग को बस यही कहना चाहूँगा कि प्लीज़, लोकल फिल्म है, ज़रूर देखिएगा. ऑस्ट्रेलिया में बनी है, बाहर अप्रिशिएट हो रहा है. सो होपफुली हमारे ऑस्ट्रेलिया में, हमारे मेलबर्न में जो हमारा होम टाउन है, पीपल विल अप्रिशिएट एज वेल. एंड बाकी हमें मालूम है गलतियाँ हैं, वो हम सुधारेंगे अगली आने वाली फिल्मों में. सो टिल देन प्लीज़ डू सपोर्ट अस एंड डू सपोर्ट द लोकल टैलेंट. एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच मी TV एंड संदीप एज वेल, and all the casting crew as well. So thank you very much, guys.
Priyanka, any final word to the audience? Like, what do you want to say?
The only thing I would like to say is that film is got a lot of hard work, a lot of debut actors in it, and still you don't feel that they are new. This when I was only part of some part of the shoot, so I didn't know how the storyline went. But when we had our preview sort of a thing, I was just hooked on to the seat. I was like, wow, this was like, I didn't expect that output, and it was like, what happens next, what's next? So it just kept me hooked on to the chair. So I think you all should watch it when it comes onto the theaters, and also the songs are really beautiful. They are available in
Ghana,
they're Savan, Ghana, and YouTube. Please do listen to them and also watch the videos. They're all released in YouTube, right? Yep. We'll probably throw a video snippet in the show, so you can enjoy the song, and also you'll get to see my choreo. Okay.
And Rajita, what do you want to say to your to our audience?
I think after so much talking, my words would be very limited.
No, what do you want to say?
I would just say, just watch this movie, and I'm very sure that you will love this movie, and everybody did their best in this movie. This will be the best movie.
Thank you so much, guys, for your time, and you guys share a lot of things about the movie. So I wish you all the best and good luck for entire cast and crew, and movie would do, because movie is already making a mark in different countries like USA and India. So I really appreciate the efforts, and you being encouraging the local talent. So I wish you all the best.